War, a chaotic dance of strategy, technology, and human lives hanging in the balance. In the heat of battle, amidst the fog of war, decisions are made in an instant, their consequences echoing through history. But behind the front lines, in the sterile silence of computer labs, another kind of battle rages, the relentless pursuit of precision in a world defined by uncertainty. In 1991, during Operation Desert Storm, the world witnessed the deadly precision of modern warfare. But behind the technological showcase, a silent threat lurked, a tiny flaw in a sophisticated weapons system. The Patriot missile defense system was designed to intercept and destroy enemy missiles in flight. Its complex radar and guidance systems, powered by sophisticated software, promised an impenetrable shield. But on February 25, 1991, this technological marvel failed spectacularly. The failure was traced back to a software error, a tiny miscalculation in the system's clock. This clock drift error led to a significant misalignment in the radar's tracking data. The impact was devastating. The failed interception resulted in the loss of 28 American soldiers. In the aftermath, extensive reviews and updates were made to the Patriot missile system. Experts agree that this incident underscored the critical importance of software reliability in modern warfare. Today, the lessons learned from the Patriot missile failure continue to shape the development and deployment of military technology.